You walk outside in the morning with your morning coffee and the pool looks fine. Then you get closer. You start seeing the leaves on the surface, the pollen film, the petals stuck near the edge, and you haven't even had your coffee yet. So you grab the manual skimmer and start chasing debris across the water. Every time you get close, it drifts away. 15 minutes gone every single day, and that's not just annoying, that's a daily tax on your time. Hi everyone, this is Valentine. I am an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube, and today I am reviewing something that directly fixes that morning broken routine. This is SK01 solar-powered robotic pool skimmer, and it was designed specifically for surface cleaning only, because most debris floats right before the sink. Leaves, pollen, petals, and insects all float first. If you catch them at the surface before they sink and break down, you actually will keep the water clearer and reduce the load on your filtration system. This will extend the life of your pool filter, which means way less maintenance and way less costs over the time. So surface cleaning is both active daily maintenance for clean pool water and for the prevention. This is why this surfer handles both automatically. You place it in the pool and it starts moving, pulling debris directly into its built-in filter basket as it goes. Leaves, hair, dust, petals, passed away insects, RIP, and everything else floating get collected continuously throughout the day. The filter basket holds 7 liters, which is on the larger end of this type of device. That capacity means you are not stopping to empty it constantly. At the end of the day, you lift the top panel, pull the basket out, dump it, rinse it, and you are done. Now the navigation is handled by smart obstacle avoidance sensors, which are located all around the robot surfer. When the robot approaches a wall, a step, or a ladder, it adjusts directions automatically. So as a result, it just floats around all day collecting debris into the basket. I mean, how awesome is that? There is no need to clean your pool, like never. Now the design also includes an anti-stranding bars, which are built specifically for pool steps, so it doesn't get stuck on edges and it just keeps on moving all the time. Now guys, my honest take on the navigation is that it handles the pool smoothly overall, and I was curious how it would manage tighter areas. It did well. The one thing to set expectations on is that full surface coverage takes time, so it works at its own pace. For daily maintenance, running constantly, that's completely fine. If the surface was heavy debris, switching to fast mode helps move things along. So yes, it has the regular mode, and on the regular mode it's just cruising around, you know, takes its time, it cleans the pool, but you also have a fast mode. Fast mode means it's gonna move quicker and complete a full cleaning in a quick way. That's in case you want to swim in the pool ASAP and you don't want to wait, so you want it ready like now. That's when you use the fast mode. Both are selectable through the app or directly on the unit itself. Now you have different options for control. The control runs through a mobile app. From there, you can move the robot manually directly through your app. How awesome is that? And you can run spot cleaning on a specific area. You can check real-time water temperature through the smart application. How cool is that? And you can use a one-touch shore docking option, which brings the robot to the side of the pool so you can easily come and grab it without the need of reaching into the water. Now let's talk about the battery. You actually have 2 ways to charge it. So it has a built-in solar panel on top of it. How genius is that? Saves your electricity bills from paying more money. So it's gonna save your money and save your time. Now on cloudy days or when you want a faster recharge, you can use the adapter which comes with the robot, and it's gonna charge it fully in 2.5 hours. So cleaning doesn't have to stop because of the weather, because you have 2 ways to charge. Now the robot works with a motor which is corrosion resistant, and it's built for long-term exposure to chlorinated water and for outdoor conditions use. So it works with both above ground and in-ground pools across all surface types. So back to that morning, instead of grabbing a skimmer and chasing debris around for 15 minutes or sometimes even half an hour, well, I pick up my coffee and leave the pool alone because I have a robot that can do its job. And when I checked the filter basket at the end of the day, I saw that it collected every single thing. And this is so satisfying. That's when it becomes obvious how much was happening on that surface while I wasn't watching, and honestly, so satisfying once again. So this unit handles that part of your day quietly and on its own without you thinking about it. Guys, I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other information that can save you some money, like coupon codes, discounts, promotions, any type of sales, any way to save some money off yours. So you snooze, you lose. So I guess just don't snooze, because you're gonna lose. That was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.